He's like, I've had my day. Let me be, y'all. I'm drying my hairs. What? Don't get my coat wet. I'm drying. I'm almost done. That's funny. Compared to all these getting all wet, or those. Look at him over there. Ah! He is drying. He's like, y'all don't be messing with me. I'm drying. I'm Princess Swan. This one, careless. All of these. Donald Duck down there, okay. Ooh, is that the gray one in there? Oh, look at them. Sliding into town. Whoa. That pelican just lifted his mouth and did a yawn. And when he did, that was crazy. Look at this school. This family. Donald's out there somewhere. Oh my gosh. Here he comes, popping up. Oh wow. I gotta just look behind me. Hey. That was close. We were just so close. He just scooted past me. It was super cool. So I'm super zoomed in. So noisy y'all are. Here come the pelicans. That swan is trying to really bust things open out of the dark and into the light. What's up with that? That's from that building. That's trippy. It is all heck gone wild right here. Kid you not. Too funny. That's that building. When you're zoomed in, it seems much darker maybe than it is. Crazy. Where's the swan that's trying to dry? Hey. The wood stork had to inch right by me.
Yeah, I bet.
Did you see it?
I barely saw him when I walked up.
Dude, they're crazy out here. There's the pelicans. Oh, wow. Here's a pelican flying in.
He's so used to walking and then going home, I guess. He just wants to pull you, pulling you to go home.
I know. They're really putting on a show. Oh, dude. Where their hammock is intense because those birds that are all in the tree and sound all crazy. Oh, dude. They have red eyes. And then there's these super loud ones in there. And they're like...
The swans are the big dogs.
Pelicans are here, though, so the swans are backing off a bit.
And those little ones make the biggest grunt.
Yeah, the little ones definitely make the biggest noise. They've been playing, and it was bath time.